Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, friends. Professor Rao here. Welcome to Let's Crack the Interview. Today, let's talk about tips to ace online interviews. What are the various tips or techniques you need to keep in mind to be successful in the online interviews, which has become the norm and order of the day, which is part of the new normal? Friends, organizations, the companies globally are now operating remotely to safeguard their businesses and employees from the pandemic situation. What kind of tips and precautions, pointers we need to keep in mind is what we are going to discuss. Right. The recruiting procedure has either become halted or for the time being or have gone online in the recent past. You are aware of that. Virtuality has become the new normal. Virtuality is the reality and it is part of the new normal. And it's going to continue for a probably longer period of time. Companies globally are operating remotely in pandemic situation and safety of the employees, prospective employees, people rather, is the primary concern for your prospective employer as well. So they're very cautious. If you are well prepared and take the right steps, it can be less stressful than an in-person interview. So if you prepare well for an online interview, thoroughly for the online interview, it will be less stressful, comfortable, easy, and it's not as difficult as you think to be. So it, let's see how to feel comfortable in front of the screen while preparing for French master digital etiquette, and which means get familiar with the technology. This is the most important, first and foremost thing you need to keep in mind while preparing for online interview. To get familiar with the required technology and equipment for online interviews. Get familiar with the required technology and equipment. Ensure your computer system, internet connection, and the sound system are working and compatible with the software used for an interview. That's very, very fundamental and important. And meanwhile, also recommended to create a distraction-free environment for the interview with appropriate lighting. It's very important. So, lighting is extremely important, and your environment should be distraction free so that there won't be any noise and that will disturb your interview. Be prepared and practice beforehand. This is very important. You need to practice like an in-person interview or for online interview as well. You need to practice. Use online resources to practice interview questions over an online interview environment that makes you confident. Apart from technical skills and learn about the company insights, vision, mission, product, services, and review of the company, etc., to make a positive impact on the interviewer. That's very, very important. And be punctual, be on time, show up for the call on time or 10 to 15 minutes earlier, as it may take you some time to log on or test your audio system and download the required application software ahead of time. It's very important. Be punctual. Be 10 to 15 minutes ahead of time so that logging takes time and checking your audio system takes time, and be ready that you download the required application upfront, the software ahead of the time. It's very important. Dress professionally. When you dress professionally and when you look presentable, it creates a respect towards the process, a respect you are giving to the interviewer, your hiring manager, and also a positive image of you, isn't it? You enhance your own image in the eyes of the interviewer, your prospective employer rather. That's why it's called power dressing. Dressing will make you feel powerful, confident, and make you feel at ease. And also, please take care that that of course demonstrates professionalism and very, very important, isn't it? Personal grooming and etiquette and dressing are extremely critical, be it an in-person interview or online interview. Do well with your body language, such as your posture, gesture, hand movements, all that very important. So be comfortable. Take care of your body language that you are going to show on the screen to your interviewer. Sit straight and take care of your posture and show hand gestures, hand movements. Your hand movement should be in sync with your words, so that they should complement and supplement each other, isn't it? They should be in sync with your words you are using. Make proper eye contact with the interviewer on the screen, as it will let him or know that you are focusing on the interview. So it's important that you need to make a appropriate eye contact, and that shows that you are focusing and you are concentrating on the process. Keep your resume and documents on the desk and handy. It's very important. Resume and documents on your desk. It's very critical, so that that's very important, because many oftentimes interviewers might ask you questions. In fact, ask questions from your resume. It happens, isn't it? Most of the time, I can't say that. I mean, most of the times, many questions come from your resume. Interviewer may tell you to write down something, and so write a code or write some solve a problem and write down something, so that it's very important that that you be ready with a pen and paper as you pen and paper. It will be, if you do not have the resume and pen and paper, that becomes the huge letdown. It may lose your chances of further interview process as well. So very important that you need to keep them handy. It reflects your professionalism, it saves time, and make you feel comfortable, handy, and confident. It's very important. Keep a notebook, pen, resume, and other related documents on your desk. Listen carefully and speak clearly. It's very critical and important. You need to listen carefully. Isn't it, friends? You know that communication is not just speaking. Communication consists of four elements: listening, writing, reading, and speaking, LSRW. Listening, speaking, writing, and reading and writing, LSRW. Listen is the first and foremost activity or element of communication. So L comes first in LSRW. So listen carefully and attentively is very important. You are required to listen to the interviewer carefully and attentively. It's very important. LSRW. So communication is all about these four elements. So listen. You may ask interviewer for clarification if you don't understand a question, or can request him or her to repeat it. Nothing wrong in that. So you can request him or her to repeat it. And you are strongly recommended not to interrupt the interviewer when he is asking or when he's talking. Instead, let him complete first and then ask or say accordingly. It's very important. So let the interviewer complete the question, complete his part of it. Then you can start answering, and if you have any questions, you can answer the questions. But definitely you can ask for clarification and request interviewer to repeat if you don't get it in the first instance. Listening is the first vital part of communication skill, and listening is an important part of your entire personality as well. Speak clearly and confidently and concisely, and avoid long pauses and mumbling to make a positive impact in the mind of the interview. Very important. Some online interview questions you can envisage, prepare, and practice could be: how have you adapted to learning working from home during the lockdown, the pandemic situation? What's your greatest challenge during the? How have you handled stress associated with the pandemic? What did you learn something new during the? See, pandemic period has given definitely some free time after your online classes or online working schedules and all. Definitely, we all have some time. So how did you utilize, maximize, leverage, optimize the time? What did you learn something new, and what new skills you acquired and possessed during the pandemic period? It will be a question. Be ready with that. Prepare the frequent asked questions. In the previous module, we discussed about top 10 interview questions. Please look into that and listen to that. Watch that video. Thank the interviewer or hiring manager at the end of the interview. It's very important. So, end of the interview process, thank the hiring manager and the interviewer at the end of the interview for giving an opportunity of interviewing you. And don't let COVID-19, the corona, the pandemic period. I know we are passing through challenging times, tough times, but I know you are also tough and tougher. So when going gets tough, tough gets going. You know that. Don't let the pandemic destroy your dreams. So prepare, practice, get ready, and I'm sure you will adapt comfortably to the new normal and ace interview questions comfortably and confidently, and then you will get the chance to work in the company of your dream company and your company of your choice. So don't let the pandemic destroy your dreams. Very well. So keep these pointers in mind and wish you all the best for your